Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find work anniversary on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we can do is find this out by using the notifications tab inside of LinkedIn. So go to linkedin.com, sign into your account, and then click on notifications. From here, we can scroll down and see if there's any anniversaries that have appeared in the last few days or weeks. Look for a post like congratulation name on their work anniversary. LinkedIn typically sends these notifications around the actual anniversary date if you're connected. Now, another way is to view the person's profile manually, and this can be anyone. So for example, I'm on this user's page here. What we can do is scroll down and look for the experience tab here. And then from here, check the start date of their current job and then compare it to the current date to determine the anniversary. So for example, this guy is the CEO for Samuel Leeds. So he's been there since February 2018. So when we get to February 2026, time of recording, he's going to be there for 8 years. And that would be their 8th year anniversary.